from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
COVID numbers rise to a 6-month high, and a child in the region has died from the virus. We'll have details in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Friday, August 20th, 2021. It's brought to you today by Henrico County CSB Prevention Services and in part by Chess Counselor LLC, helping students one move at a time, bringing chess and wellness programs to the community. Visit them at chesscounselor.com.
And now for the news.
COVID cases in Henrico continue to trend in the wrong direction. The county yesterday witnessed the most new cases on a single day in more than 6 months, 126. It's now averaging 96 new daily cases during the past 7 days. There also were 3 new virus-related hospitalizations in Henrico for the second straight day. The county's 7-day positivity percentage among PCR testing encounters as of August 15th was 8.4%, just below the state average, but its rapid testing encounter positivity percentage of 10.9% exceeded the state average of 9.5%. On Wednesday, federal officials indicated that they'd be recommending a booster dose of COVID vaccine for everyone who's fully vaccinated with the Pfizer or Moderna vaccines. Those boosters would be available beginning 8 months after the date of the second dose of vaccine. There's not yet been guidance about whether a booster shot will be needed for the 1-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine, but federal officials expect to have that guidance by mid-September. On a call with state reporters yesterday, vaccine coordinator Danny Avulis said that people should not worry that their protection against COVID will suddenly drop off after 8 months, saying that it's a slowly waning effectiveness and that people will have a window after 8 months where they'd still have a fair amount of protection. It's likely that most booster shots will be administered in the 2,700 pharmacies and other provider sites statewide, according to Avula, but the VDH and local health departments will be prepared to step in as necessary to administer doses, according to Avula. The boosters will be identical to the first and second doses of the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines. Manufacturers are working on booster shots that would specifically target the new Delta variant and other new variants of the virus, but none of those are close to approval yet, according to Avula, and it's unlikely that any will be available to the public until sometime early next year. You can read much more about this at henricocitizen.com right now by clicking on COVID-19. Sad news yesterday as a child 9 years old or younger in the Richmond and Henrico health districts has died from COVID-19, according to the RHHD. It's the second death of a person younger than 20 in the 2 localities in about a month. A child or teen between the ages of 10 and 19 from Henrico died from the virus last month. Now, this latest death was the 10th COVID-related death of a child or teen in Virginia. Because the RHHD operates as a joint department, it wasn't immediately clear from its announcement whether the victim lived in Henrico or in Richmond. The Henrico Division of Police has unveiled a new logo as part of the second phase of its rebrand initiative. It was developed by an internal work group of civilian, sworn, and 911 staff who spent a number of months in discussion and design before presenting the revised logo to division and county leaders for feedback. The logo portrays a modernized silhouette of Pocahontas, who of course is on the Henrico County seal and the flag. You can check it out at our website, henricocitizen.com, by clicking on News and then Public Safety. And tonight at Belmont Recreation Center, the movie Happy Gilmore will be shown at 8 o'clock. It's part of the Belmont Screen on the Green series. It's an outdoor movie. You can bring a blanket or chair. Popcorn will be available for purchase. Admission is free.
As we all strive to do our part during this extraordinary time, Henrico Area Mental Health serves as your local and public mental health agency, continuing to do its part. We all experience mental health challenges, especially during extreme challenging times.
It doesn't matter your age, gender, race, or ethnicity. Each Each person is affected differently. If you're a resident of Charles City, New Kent, or Henrico counties, and you, a family member or friend, or someone you know may need someone to talk to about the mental health challenges being experienced.
Do your part and call us at 804-727-8515. That's 804-727-8515. We're here to help. Remember, mental health is good health. Call Henrico Area Mental Health at 804-727-8515. That number again is 804-727-8515.
This message comes to you from Henrico County CSB Prevention Services.